Hi everyone, this is Tanu and welcome back to my channel Tanu Talks. So guys, during this time of pandemic when it is very important to wear mask, or you can say it is mandatory to wear mask, especially before you step out of your house, I can see many girls compromising with makeup because they might just think that is it safe to wear makeup underneath the mask, or will our skin be able to breathe when the mask is on and makeup is on as well. So I've got a solution for you all. I've got a makeup range which is non-comedogenic. That means it is totally safe to be worn under the mask. I'm talking about Maybelline Fit Me range, which is definitely the skin fit range and the mask fit range as well. It is very important to find the makeup range which will allow your skin to breathe under the mask. So now I'm going to be showing you a tutorial of Maybelline Fit Me range, how you can wear that range every day even under the mask. So yes, let's get started. So guys, I'm all ready to start with the makeup, and for foundation I'll be using Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation. I am in the shade 228 Soft Tan. I love the finish of this foundation. It blends so beautifully. It's so lightweight and it also is super comfortable to be worn under the mask since it is non-comedogenic. Okay, so I just tied up my hair because they were really interrupting me to do makeup, and also guys, I want to share with you all that Maybelline Fit Me foundation comes with variety of shades. I'm sure you can find your perfect shade by checking online. I found mine perfect shade, that is 228 Soft Tan. It's not that lighter on my skin or it's not too dark for me. It's just perfect shade for my skin tone. So next I'm going to be using the concealer, and for that I am going for Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, and this is how it looks like. It comes in a wand packaging, and I'm just going to go on my under eye dark circle area very lightly because it has got very nice coverage. I'm going to slightly go on my forehead area to highlight this area. I'm not going to rub this, I'm simply going to press this so that it doesn't move from its position. As I said guys, this Fit Me range is totally non-comedogenic, so you need not worry that you should wear this under the mask or not. It will not cause you any kind of allergy or it won't clog your pores. It is totally safe to be used every day and to be worn every day even under the mask. Next I have this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 15 Light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this on my under eye area, right where I applied the concealer. To bake that area, I just want my concealer to stay the whole day. So I'm just going to use the baking technique, and for that I'll be using this loose powder. I'm just trying to open this up. So I'm just going to take a bit of the powder on my powder brush, and I'm going to apply this on this area where I want to bake. Guys, this powder is so smooth. It's not got that powdery finish, it's very smooth. I just love the finish of this powder. So after baking, I'm going to be using another powder which is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Pressed Powder, and I am in the shade 130 Buff Beige. Very light-handed with this powder because it has got such a nice coverage, and don't apply this too much. Just simply take a bit on the brush, remove the excess, and then apply this on your face. So next I'm going to use this blush which is Maybelline Fit Me blush in shade number, I don't know shade number, but it's called Rose. I'll mention the exact details of all these products in the description box below. Guys, I repeat, all of these products are non-comedogenic. They will not clog your pores and they are totally safe to be used every day even under the mask. Yes, that's it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoyed watching it, and if you did, then please make sure to subscribe, like this video and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this range, if you have it already, or are you planning to buy this range after watching this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on this range in the comment section below. I promise I'll reply back to each one of you. Also, I'll mention the purchasing links of all of these products which I've used in the video in the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And yes, I shall see you guys next time. Till then, you all take care. Bye.